The new Google AI Studio and Antigravity update is absolutely insane. Today, I'm going to show you a brand new under-the-radar update from Google that just changed everything. We are talking about an AI that builds entire interactive full-stack applications from a single text prompt. Google just changed how visual assets get built forever. What if I told you that you could take a static image, lasso a completely empty swing, and the AI will perfectly generate and insert characters that match the exact scene lighting? You can highlight a field, tell it to build a barn, and instantly apply an oil painting animation style to bring it to life. This isn't just a basic image editor, it's a full Hollywood-level production studio baked right into your browser. But let me pause right here, because having access to this new Google tech is completely useless if you don't actually know how to monetize it. And that is exactly why I built the AI Money Forge. We just crossed 143 members, the community is growing every single day, and the wins these guys are getting are unbelievable. Inside, I am handing you my private, battle-tested agent blueprints and step-by-step automation workflows. If I package these exact systems into a standard tech bootcamp, it would easily cost you $1,997. But inside the Forge, you get all of it. We aren't just playing with chatbots, we are building autonomous AI empires. You need to get in now while the window is still open. Click the link in the description and join the 143 killers inside the Forge. Alright, let's look at what this update does to actual code. I typed one sentence asking for an endless runner game. It spit out Subway Rush. It wrote the HTML, the CSS, the JavaScript, the physics, and the collision detection on the very first try. You just hit start and play the code it literally just imagined. And this next feature is what will put front-end developers out of a job. Google calls it Generative User Interfaces. When you ask this model to explain a complex physics concept like the three-body problem, it doesn't give you a boring wall of text. It acts as an agent-first IDE. It writes the code and renders a live interactive WebGL visualization right there in the chat. It figures out what UI you need, like a dynamic tennis swing analyzer or a travel planner, and builds the interface for you on the fly. Then we have Google Antigravity. This is their new 3D spatial reasoning engine. Watch the AI edit this live 3D voxel tree. I ask it to add a time of day slider and a waterfall. It understands the physics, updates the shadows, and injects the water straight into the terrain. It can even take a 2D prompt, turn it into a 3D hologram wireframe, and drop it into a dynamically lit living room. Then we have Google Antigravity. This is their new 3D spatial reasoning engine. Watch the AI edit this live 3D voxel tree. I ask it to add a time of day slider and a waterfall. It understands the physics, updates the shadows, and injects the water straight into the terrain. It can even take a 2D prompt, turn it into a 3D hologram wireframe, and drop it into a dynamically lit living room. But here is where it gets truly wild. Full-stack app remixing. This is the Mandelbulb Explorer, a complex app using real-time shaders to calculate infinite fractals. Instead of starting from scratch, you can hit Remix, tell the AI what you want to change, and it rewrites the entire application. We told it to build a particle attractor, and in seconds, it deployed Cosmic Flow. You get the front end, the back end, and the deployment all in one place. You don't have to stitch together 5 different tools anymore. We gave it a single prompt, transform this into a cosmic particle attractor simulator. The AI doesn't just tweak a few colors. It completely rips out the old WebGL rendering engine, restructures the React components, writes brand new physics logic, and instantly deploys this Cosmic Flow. Look at the live responsiveness. It built custom controls for repulsors, attractors, and live color picking. The green particles are calculating collision and gravity flawlessly based on cursor movement. You just build a completely new software product in seconds. You don't have to switch tabs to use cursor, you don't need Vercel for deployment, and you don't need to open your terminal. It handles the architecture, the dependencies, and the live hosting in one single window. This is how you rapid prototype SaaS products in 2026. Finally, look at its real-world capabilities. This is GeoSeeker, an app where you play hide-and-seek against the AI on Google Maps. The agent uses live satellite data to deduce your location. It's an autonomous agent with real-world spatial intelligence. The way apps are built just changed forever. If you want to know how to actually use this tech to build real businesses, click the link down below, join the 143 members in the AI Money Forge, and let's get to work. Drop a comment below on what app you'd build first, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.